In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cocos Creator. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to Cocos, and we have right here their documentation for quick starting and creating your game. So for that, you can just prepare your project and resources. You can download the original project, which is the start project, and download the completed project. So this will be your baseline. Open the original project and then read the install section once you're there. The pop-up, choose the Start Project option, and that has just been downloaded. Select the folder button. On the main window, the Cocos Creator editor will be opened with all of the resources for that particular project. Now you can check the game resources by reading the asset workflow, and you can head over and go over to your assets panel, wherein you can see the directory structure of any hierarchy, such as the textures, audio, and the likes. On the audio file, which is MP3 file generally, they will be able to play audio files based on the name right here, respectively when the character jumps and scores. You can create a game scene based on the scene images, character, and game logics. So that's all there is to do, and I hope this video helped you out.